Our Coeus plug-and-play artificial intelligence nodes can autonomously run the operations of major industries and are fully built and configured for each client's operational processes. Our clients' detailed specifications are sent to our intelligent node manufacturing base for construction. Client-specific intelligent nodes are configured and individually assembled, then function tested and pre-commissioned fit for purpose, and shipped to our clients' locations within days. Once installed and commissioned, they begin monitoring, analysing and controlling field operations using distributed, self-reinforced deep learning algorithms. Custom-designed dashboards display their data in real time, showing the added value impact Coeus AI is having on our clients' business.